Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and verify suppliers or only purchase from verified suppliers? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply search for Alibaba.com. Now once you've done that, so when searching for anything, what you can do is simply go ahead. So for example, let's say I want to go ahead and look for shoes and accessories, and I want, for example, some cowboy boots. All right, then I'm going to be on this page right over here. So one thing Alibaba offers is a verification process that a lot of traders or a lot of manufacturers have to go through in order for them to go ahead and be verified suppliers, and their quality assurances are going to be tested, their pricings are going to be tested, and many more. So as you can see, if you want to go ahead and only purchase from the verified manufacturers, all you need to do is go ahead and click on this supplier features right over here, which is going to be a filter. Go ahead and click on that, and it is only going to show you verified suppliers by Alibaba. This is good because you can go ahead and happily or just buy it with no hassle at all. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.